Hello everyone, especially to our instructor. I would like to share you all about my understanding of intellectual revolutions. From the word intellectual, for me, this refers to our capacity being high intelligence, especially one who places greatest value on activities requiring exercise of the intelligence, such as study, complex forms of knowledge, literature, and aesthetic matters, reflection, and philosophical speculation. But for the intellectual revolutions, it is our scientific beliefs that have been widely embraced and accepted by the people were challenged and opposed. This aim would be to help humanity acquire wisdom. Wisdom being the capacity to realize the value in life for oneself and others. Wisdom thus including knowledge and technological in our society. Intellectual revolutions plays a big role in our lives that have been effective and two roles in the modern period. First, they develop society's immune system by challenging taken for granted notions so that even if society fails to fully adapt an intellectual's provocation, it comes away both with a stronger sense of its own identity and greater open-mindedness. Why is evolution such as a crucial process? It is a critical to comprehend evolution. Understanding evolutions is as in resolving biological issues that affect to our daily lives. Researchers examine the evolutionary histories of disease, causing genus and order to regulate hereditary disorders in humans. Evolutionary knowledge can improve the quality of human life, and all individuals have heredity materials and the form of genes received from their parents, which they passed onto any offspring. Among offspring, there are variations of genes due to the introductions of your genes via random changes called mutations or via reshuffling of existing genes during sexual reproduction. The offspring differs from the parent in minor random ways. If those differences are helpful, the offspring is more likely to survive and reproduce. This means that more offspring and the next generation will have that helpful difference, and individuals will not have equal chances of reproductive success. In this way, traits that result in organisms being better adapted to their individuals inherit hereditary materials from their parents in the form of genes, which they pass onto any offspring. Due to introduction of new genes via random changes termed mutations or the reshuffling of existing genes during sexual reproduction, there are variances of genes among offspring. The offspring differs from the parent in a minor random ways. If those variations are beneficial, the children have better chance or surviving and reproducing. This means that the next generations, kids will have more of the beneficial variations, and individuals will not have equal odds of reproducing. And this way, features that result in organisms being better adapted to their environments can be discovered. The modern understanding of evolution began with the 1859 publications of Charles Darwin's On the Origin of Species. In addition, Gregor Mendel's work with plants helped to explain the hereditary patterns of genetics. Russell's discoveries in paleontology, advances in population, genetics, and a global network of scientific research have provided further details into the mechanism of evolution. Scientists now have a good understanding of the origin of new speciation, and have observed the speciation process in the laboratory and in the wild. Evolution is the principal scientific theory that biologists use to understand life and is used in many disciplines, including medicine, psychology. With the publication of Charles Darwin's On the Origin of Species in 1859, the modern understanding of evolution started. Furthermore, Gregor Mendel's work with plants helped to explain hereditary patterns in genetics. Puzzles, discoveries, and paleontology, improvements in population genetics, and a global network of scientific inquiry have added to our understanding of evolution. Principles. Scientists now have a decent knowledge of how new species emerge in the speciations, and they've seen it happen in the lab and in the wild evolution. Evolution is the main scientific theory used by biologists to comprehend life, and it is employed in a variety of fields such as medicine and psychology. That's all, ma'am. Thank you and be safe.